So today I'm working on a Kenmore refrigerator. Customer complaint is that there's a leak. During diagnostics, I found that there was a crack here in the drain pan. So you can see right there, that's that crack. So that's causing water to leak out when the refrigerator's on its off cycle and defrost cycle. So right here we have a new drain pan. I'll be installing that guy today. Okay, so with the condenser fan removed, we have the new drip condensate tray here. As we can see, there's some rust spots here, so it should be leaking for some time now. Yeah, and this one was the old one, and again the crack is just right here. So alright, so the new drip pan is installed. We're just gonna do a little test. Put some water in here just to make sure it's not leaking anymore. And yeah, it will have to be retested. And but yeah, looks like the water's staying in there. No leaks on the side there. No leaks on that side either.